What's up, TubeU? It is the Moneysausage here. Today we're going to be talking about public perception of a stock and what's going on around a stock can have a major impact on what's going on. Now, the reason why I'm making this video and I'm posting it kind of out of order, I want to post videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I'm posting this on Thursday because I think it's really cool to talk about, and I think it's something that will be very beneficial for everyone to really keep an eye out. Now, there's a company called Netlist. I'll put a screenshot up here with the ticker symbol and what's going on with the stock. Now, if you go on Yahoo Finance has it marked as a buy. But what's going on with Netlist that's really cool to see is they're filing a lot of claims against Samsung, Google, and stuff like that for copyright infringements, and I think it's for patent infringements as well. So they're doing a lot of work. They're winning. They won a case against Google, and when the winning came out, their stock exploded. It went from about $4 all the way up to $6. So that's a huge increase of the stock. Now, it's been a couple months. In the last couple months, you kind of saw it lull down. Like last week, the stock went down to $3.20, which is pretty interesting. It's kind of like, since it's not being spread about on the news and talked about, it's died off just a little bit. Now, what's massive that's happening this week is Netlist and their law team, they went through and filed with the court to continue to pursue legal action against Google and Samsung and a couple other companies, I believe. And because they won and because it's looking very promising with this next round of lawsuits, people don't know how much they're winning or how much they're going to win. But what's kind of expected is the stock price, which is currently, I'm looking at it right now, it's $4.75. They're expecting it to reach up to $10. So that's kind of what's really cool. It's just because of public perception and because they're filing and winning lawsuits, this stock has the potential to skyrocket. And that's what's really cool. And that's what you see with GameStop and with all the other meme stocks that blew up a year and a half ago because people were just getting so hyped about it. People were buying in. People were ready. They wanted it to go to the moon. And that's how public perception can drive a stock. And that's what's really cool. And that's why I'm telling you, like, hey, if you want to get invested, do your research. See what's happening. See what's going on. I could have told you that this stock was in an increase in price last week because they were winning in the lawsuit. The continuation of the lawsuit didn't come out and the filing didn't come out till this week. But because I was sitting there researching and paying a lot of attention to what the Yahoo forum and Yahoo Finance forum is saying, what everything is going on with the stock and with the company, I was able to really tell that this stock has some locked potential. That with the winning and the winnings being announced can unlock, and this stock could fly. There's some YouTube people that are saying that it could go up to $80. There's some people saying that it can go up to $800. And that's what's really crazy is you don't know how much this stock is going to go to. Yahoo Finance is saying the target price is $10. But depending on how the public perception goes and how much they win from Google, which has the potential to be a very large, substantial amount, their stock price could go absolutely bananas and just fly through the roof. But you can't really tell how high it's going to go because it's subject to public speculation. And that's what I love. That's why I really wanted to get into the stock and why I want to research it. I bought in the stock 6 months ago because I found out about the rulings. I read into it. I researched some more about why Netlist is filing the suit against Google. I bought more stock after they won and before the stock hit the $6 mark a couple months ago after they won in the court. And that's kind of what I really enjoy is I like investing in things that I care about and things that I find interesting, because when you invest in something that's interesting and you care about, it's very easy to follow. It's very easy to stay updated because everything that's coming out, either via the court system or by public announcements or just public opinion, it's very easy just to see what's going on. And that's why I like Netlist. And I'm not saying you need to buy it. This isn't financial advice. I just wanted to talk about how doing your research and paying attention can really help your investment journey. And if you haven't seen my video about how to start investing, that video is going to be linked down in the description. That way you can get involved and you can start your investment journey. And that way, this video is just really to show that if you pay attention and if you read about and you understand what's going on, making money in the stock market isn't that hard. Yes, it may be risky, but at the same time, if you pay attention, you will have plenty of notice with any movement in the stock. And that's what's really cool. Another stock that comes to mind is Kodak. Kodak had a really weird fluctuation last year, or early 2020. And that's because Kodak announced that they were going to start switching to pharmaceuticals. And Kodak's stock price skyrocketed. It went from, it went from a whopping $2.20 all the way up to $21. And this is July 27th, 2020. So if you invested at the time, is it worth $2.30, which I was going to, but I wasn't paying too close attention. I found out and I read the article and I read what was happening in the announcement 2 minutes after the market closed, so I couldn't buy in. I knew the stock was going to explode, and it did. And the explosion happened in a matter of a day. On July 20th, 2020, the stock was priced at $2.10. In July 27th, it was worth $21.85. Literally a day later, the stock went up about $8 in price. And that's why paying attention and being sure that you're subscribed or you're listening to what's going on with the stock market is really important. So that's why a lot of people read the Wall Street Journal, because it does have that information. It has, oh, hey, by the way, Kodak is switching from camera supplies to pharmaceuticals. And you could have been warned. And that's why paying attention is super important. And that's why I encourage you, if you're going to start investing, know that you're making a decision that could greatly increase your potential for wealth. But at the same time, you need to manage and you need to make sure that your investments you're following. Moral of the story is get involved with Yahoo Finance, where they do post news articles and big announcements that are coming out from publicly traded companies. And you don't have to pay anything. Yahoo Finance is free. There are premiums, features, and stuff like that that are available if you pay a little extra or if you just pay. But at the same time, you don't have to. You have access to a bunch of things for free. So there's a bunch of tools at your fingertips. You just need to figure out a way that you can passionately figure it out and also follow it. Now, if you found this video useful, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. It means a lot to me. Leave a comment down below as to what you want to see in the future. And with that being said, it is the Money Sausage checking out.